Hello, welcome. Thank you for joining me today in Bloom's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you a very wonderful soup that you can have if you're having cold, cough. We're in the season of so many different things we don't understand. So for those days when you are really feeling feverish or you're just not feeling well, this soup is going to give you a super boost. Really good. You can adjust the spice to your taste level. You can use any meat of your choice. So we're going to run quickly through the ingredients, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please kindly do so and turn on your notification and share these videos with your friends. So for this pepper soup today, I'm going to be using pepper soup spice, chicken stock powder, salt, some Uziza seeds, turmeric, garlic, blended crayfish, 2 fresh pepper, ginger, tomatoes, leek, celery, half a bunch of mint, a few leaves of kale, 1 onions, dry fish, and some beef. The beef I've already cut into bite size. That way it's easier when you're sipping your soup to just take the bite size. So we're going to be starting first by boiling the vegetables and all these ones, and then we'll blend them and cook the meat while that is boiling. So over now. have it. Our soup is ready. Feel free to make it as light as you want. So whatever consistency you like. So this is the consistency I normally go for, or even a little bit thicker if I want to use it for rice or swallow or yam or any other thing. So this soup is really good when you're having a cold, you have fever, you just had a baby, you're not feeling too well, just generally, or you just even want to detox your body or something like that. It's an excellent soup. You can have it by itself alone. You can have it with any swallow of choice. And of course, feel free to adjust the pepper to your taste. So give it a try. Let me know how you like it. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please like, share, and subscribe, and share these videos with your friends. Until next time when I bring you another exciting recipe, have a blessed and wonderful day. Thank you.